To change a password, you should navigate to My Profile. You can either access the page by clicking on the users in the application's main menu and choosing My Profile, or click on your picture in the top right corner of the application. Now that we've arrived at our profile, we can see lots of options. The Information tab contains a side menu with 4 subtabs. Account Information contains necessary account-related information. Personal Information contains relevant users' personal information. Password Settings, a user can change their password here. An administrator can change any user's password in this tab. Attachments, a user can add attachments related to their profile. To change the password, click the Change Password button and choose the creating method, manually or generated. Enter a new password, confirm it, and choose its expiration date. To confirm your changes, click the Save button. As an administrator, you can change users' passwords regardless of their role in the system. To do that, navigate to the user's profile, select a user, and repeat the process. If you forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking on Forgot Username or Password. Upon submitting, you will receive an email with your new system-generated password. In the pop-up window, you should enter a username, enter your email address, click the Submit button,